going on, YouTube? It's your boy Tay Rose, and we back with another banger. Today, I'm about to do a little car review for y'all. Feel me? Let's get into it.
That bitch in that parking spot, slinging shot. If not, I'm pulling right in front your house. I'm jumping out, kick the front door. Fuck the kids, lay them down, be quiet, don't make a motherfucking sign. I got the monkey nut, bout to pipe around. You don't shut your motherfucking mouth. Bitch, I'm running up, no time to play around. Bitch, I'm running up, no time to play around.
Alright, first thing we gonna address. Boy, this here's a GT. It's not a V6. It's the 4.6, but not a V6. Shout out to everybody with a V6 though, you feel me? Y'all, hey, you know, it's a Stang, so it really don't matter. You ride. But y'all see what's going on. It's a 2007 Mustang GT. Convertible. You know, you can drop the top, you feel me? Got them aftermarket lights. The dress, man, is the Nietzsche wheels, man. Shout out to Nietzsche for the wheels. My wheels a little dirty. Y'all see all that? You know what? I started to go wash the car before I did this review, but you know what? For what? It's extra horsepower. We kick it real regular, you know. I ain't had, you feel me? I could have went, but I didn't. So he's still here. But yeah, man. Shout out to Nietzsche for them wheels, you feel me? We got, y'all see them lights. Next thing we gonna address is the hood. Don't mind the dirt, boy, it's cats, you know what I'm saying? Where I stay at. But y'all check the hood, aftermarket hood, you know. All right, and now we up under the hood. Hey man, this ain't, you know, it's just a little, you know, 4.6 right now, you feel me? But hey, check it out though. Y'all see what's going on. Got my intake, you feel me? Got my intake, know what I'm saying? You know, ain't nothing too major. You know, might supercharge it, I don't know. Or I might trade it in and get a 5-volt. That's kind of what I'm going for. Know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. Close this. Y'all see that hood though, boy. Inside, y'all see what's going on. Don't worry about my cup or what's in my cup. It's just a Pepsi, guys. But yeah, y'all see, you know, interior clean. Do got the back seat still in there. Blue floor mats, blue steering wheel cover. You know what I'm saying? 140 on the dash. It ain't much, but it's a GT. Still a V8. You feel me? Damn, I tried to close the door like this and I missed the whole goddamn door. Alright, cut. But yeah, man, y'all see what's going on with this GT, man, you know. Tell me what y'all think, man. Do y'all like this body style? Or do y'all like the 13, 14 body style, or y'all like the new body style, no 15 and up? Y'all let me know. I'm undecided. I don't know what I would do. I want a Hellcat, but I can't afford it right now. But it's cool though, because we still riding. And my next one I'm gonna show y'all is my 2010 C300. You know what I'm saying? With the XO wheels on it. But stay tuned for that. But yeah, man. For the people who don't believe it's a V8, about to give y'all some exhaust clips. Man. So y'all stay tuned for that. Get it.
Yeah, still a V8, bitch.